Our health insurance and health care system continues to get worse and worse under President Trump. Look at this. Percent of Americans without health insurance spikes to highest level since 2014. The percentage of Americans without health insurance has reached its highest point since 2014, when Obamacare was still in its early years of implementation. The uninsured rate was 13.7% in the fourth quarter of 2018, well above the record low of 10.9% seen in 2016, the last year of President Obama's second term, according to a survey released by Gallup Wednesday. That represents about 7 million people losing or dropping insurance between 2016 and 2018, Gallup said. The uninsured rate has risen steadily since President Trump took office, Gallup notes. Gallup says Obamacare's premium increases in recent years could contribute to a higher uninsured rate. The administration's funding cuts to Obamacare's marketing and outreach budget could also have affected uninsured rates, Gallup said. Other factors include a shorter enrollment period and confusion caused by the GOP's efforts to repeal and replace the law in 2017, the survey states. So, under Donald Trump, 7 million people lost their health insurance. Democrats need to take that and run with it. And endlessly parrot that number. 7 million, 7 million, 7 million. 7 million people lost their health insurance. He loves to pretend, I'm tremendous, I'm unbelievable, record-breaking administration. I've done more at this point in my administration than any administration ever. Tremendous. I have to tell you. Many, many people are saying that we're the most amazing administration. Believe me. 7 million people lost their health insurance. That's moving in the wrong direction. So talk about that nonstop, and then also say, the answer is Medicare for all. You want to know why? Because the answer is Medicare for all. Clobber them over the head with that. You could win an election on that alone. But this is devastating, man. Again, you guys know the number because I say it every show. Between 32,000 and 45,000 people die every year in the U.S. because they don't have access to basic health care. In other developed countries, that number doesn't exist. 0 in Canada, 0 in Australia, 0 in France, 0 in the UK. So, and by the way, they cover everybody and pay like half what we pay for the coverage. And they get better health outcomes. This is a no-brainer, man. But our system is collapsing. And it's because of Donald Trump shivving Obamacare in the back. Obamacare wasn't great, but it was a step in the right direction. Now, the Trump administration is shivving it. And look at the results. 7 million people lost their health insurance. This isn't a record to be proud of. It's embarrassing, it's sad, it's pathetic, it's gross, and it's time for the Democrats to fight back and get Medicare for all.